So, guys, whether you are just getting started or whether you have been here all along, I look forward to help you on your Citrix Cloud learning journey. So, let's get started. Since we are going to study about Citrix Cloud, my first question to you all is what is Citrix Cloud? So, Citrix Cloud is a delivery mechanism which deliver various Citrix product to the end user. You can also define Citrix Cloud as Citrix Cloud is a cloud-based platform for managing and deploying Citrix product to the end user. Now imagine what's possible if employees have a single secure place to access everything. In this video, we'll discuss how Citrix Cloud solves environment complexity while enhancing the user experience. So, first, let us understand what Citrix Workspace is. Citrix Workspace enables an entirely a new way to work. Workspace makes our work easier in three different ways. Number one, it organizes, which means with a single sign on, Citrix Workspace makes sure to keep all the relevant data, apps, and desktop in one place. Number two, guide. It speeds our work by organizing information and tasks all together. Number three, automate. It helps user find the right information directly from within Citrix Workspace. Now, let's look how Citrix Cloud solves the complexity of the hybrid multi-cloud environment. So, as we all know, people use devices in many locations accessing app and data served from various infrastructure. It's becoming extremely tough to manage different people in different roles due to different permission or access they required. This results in highly complex environment at a greater risk of security breaches. At the same time, employees struggle against lack of flexibility and productivity reduces due to these problems. So, Citrix Cloud addresses these problems. Citrix Cloud is a delivery system for all Citrix Workspace technology. It starts with the secure digital workspace. They give user the tool they require to complete their job. Number third, it is device independent, allowing secure work from the device of choice. It's available from any applications. User can consume only what's needed. In this video, we will provide an overview of Citrix Cloud and differentiate between traditional on-premises and Citrix Cloud deployment. Now, what is Citrix Cloud? It is a delivery mechanism for other Citrix product and services to the end user. Now imagine Citrix Cloud as a streaming platform, for example, Netflix or Amazon Prime, and the service delivered by Citrix Cloud, such as Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop, or Citrix Files as the content deliver like movies, series, etc. by all those streaming platforms. So we all know that these streaming platforms only allow us to use their content once we take the subscription, and without subscription they only allow us to manage our account and our details in the same way without buying entitlement or subscription to our cloud services, which means Citrix cloud services. It only allows us to manage our account information and administration details. Let's take a look into a backend infrastructure of Citrix Cloud to see how it works. Citrix Cloud services are divided into two broad categories. Number one, digital workspace. Number two, app delivery and security. Let's first look at the digital workspace. Digital workspace is divided into various different subcategories. The first one is Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Services. So, Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Services deliver apps and desktop to any device from any cloud. The second one is Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Standard for Azure. Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Standard for Azure. It delivers only Windows apps and desktop only from Microsoft Azure. Number 3. Citrix Analytics. Citrix Analytics gives administrator the ability to proactively detect security threat and resolve performance issue before they impact user. Number 4. Citrix Content Collaboration. It keeps project in progress flowing by allowing user to securely share videos and files. And fifth one is Citrix Endpoint Management. It helps administrator manage endpoint device and app and application policies by securely delivering apps to user. Now let us see two diagram here. The first one is traditional on-premises deployment. And the second one is Citrix cloud deployment. Now first let me explain what is the difference between on-premises and cloud. With on-premises, once the software is purchased, you will be the complete owner of that product or the software, which means there will be no third party involved for doing any maintenance or update, and you only have to take the complete ownership and have to take the care of the application completely. Whereas in cloud computing deliver many computing services including server, storage, database, networking, software, and many more over the internet, which means cloud. And in this, everything is managed by third party. You typically pay only for cloud services you use, which help in lower your operating cost, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs changes. So, on-prem cloud computing is much more better and beneficial than on-premises. Now, to bridge customer environment with Citrix Cloud, customer must install cloud connectors on virtual machine on resource location. Now, what is cloud connector? Cloud connector act as a delivery controller, proxies for functions such as VDA registration, session launch, and Active Directory authentication. Again, here customer only have to install the cloud connector, whereas Citrix automatically update cloud connector while customer have to ensure the virtual machine hosting the connector software is always online.